The Federal Reserve has been purchasing a total of $85 billion in U.S. Treasuries and mortgage-backed securities every single month to keep mortgage rates near all-time lows and to stimulate the U.S. economy. Recently, worries about an end to the program have pushed rates up. However, on Tuesday, bonds rallied and mortgage discount points improved by 3/8 of a point on comments from several Fed members that the program will continue. Conforming no-point 30-year fixed mortgage rates now average 3 5/8, with 15-year rates closer to 2 3/4. Meanwhile, according to RealtyTrack, the number of foreclosure starts in San Diego in the first quarter fell by 68%. For more information on a home purchase, a refinance, or a reverse mortgage, visit our website at aramco.biz or call me at 866-381-8888. This is Meron Aram for UTTV.